You could just talk a little bit about what the Fair Food campaign is about.
Well, we noticed that a lot of people are talking about buying local and buying organic, but there aren't very many people asking, what about the people who are farming, who are making the produce, who are growing it and taking care of it. And so we think that's a really important component, especially here in West Michigan where a lot of our produce is locally grown. But a lot of people who do work the produce are migrant workers, and so they oftentimes they don't have decent working conditions, and that's something that we don't think is okay. And we think that if we get people talking about it and get people asking questions and talking to their growers, that we can make a change on.
Okay. And so let's just say that people do support the campaign. And what are you hoping what the outcome of this effort will be?
Well, the ultimate outcome would be fair conditions for the migrant workers, fair, safe housing, fair wage, and that component of the labor is something that's forefront of people's minds.
Okay. And then how are you sort of implementing this? I mean, who are you going to sort of target to try to get, enough pressure to kind of have the conditions actually improve for migrant workers?
Well, right now we're just trying to kind of raise some community awareness and get people talking and involved, and we're hoping that the more people think about their food, they're going to start talking to their growers. They're going to start talking to their grocery stores and their restaurants and saying, hey, do you know if this food is grown fairly? Is it grown ethically? And as those questions start getting asked, we're hoping that it'll trickle back to the actual growers, and they'll say, oh, well, this is important to people and this is something we really need to think about because it matters.